Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco in a Wildtrak trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, or whatever you want to use this vehicle for. It does have running boards down below, and with the Sasquatch package, you get some larger 35-inch all-terrain tires on some beadlock rims, some wider fender flares as well, and the Wildtrak does have off-road Fox suspension, four-door configuration with the soft top and the matching full-size spare on the back, opening up to reveal a pretty decent cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. The rear section of the roof can be lifted up as well to give you better access, and then you have your door bags because of course they are removable and you want to keep them safe. Under here you have your jack and some spare room. You have your tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out there. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general vehicle features, including driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, as well as having a full 360 view, so you can see all around your SUV. And above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, such as front and rear locking differentials and trail turn assist, so you can make a tighter turn on a tighter road or trail. Traction control shut off, hazards, and up here you have a mounting point for an accessory rail, so you can have like a GoPro or something up here, as well as a USB and USB-C, so you can keep that device powered. Moving down, you have your media controls with your alternate camera view, including your forward-facing camera, auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. And then you have one of your grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash, so you can hold on when you're going over rougher terrain. And you've got the main shifter for your 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Two cup holders, 4x4 selector with 4 auto, as well as trail control, which is cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your GOAT mode or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and Baja, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, but the mirrors do stay on with the doors removed. So you want to have all your controls kind of not too complicated. And your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.